Blessed Monday. It's been a very blessed Sunday yesterday because we just have celebrated our mothers and we are able to greet them personally, and with our posts we become so proud of them that we really appreciate all their love and sacrifices, their efforts for all of us to become better people. We have many experiences on how the love of our mothers and lahat ng tumayo sa atin na mother have, have changed our heart and so our lives of who we are today. But let me share you this very profound and beautiful experience of mine with the love of my mother, on how my mother's love changes my heart, not just during Mother's Day, but every day. This year I'm turning 24, but I'm still living with my father, mother, and my siblings in our own house. You see, I graduated last year, 2025, BS Biology, and most people are expecting that people like me should provide for their family, should work and earn money for their family to support them. But I'm not one of those people right now. My father became angry at me. I can really sense that he becomes impatient with me because I know and I also understand where he's coming from. He needs my help, and sadly, I'm still not able to help them because I still don't have job. But the very profound and beautiful experience with the love of my mother that I'm going to share with you is that my mother extends her understanding, her patience, and trust in me. You see, kahapon I wake up and I take my coffee with my mother, and she said that they have an argue with my father who's becoming mad at me because I still don't have job. And she said to my father, "You must wait, more patient. Don't compare your children with the children of other people. That they are successful, they have their own job, they are earning money, and they are able to give." My mother, through that simple but very deep act of affection, gives her love, her understanding, her patience, and her trust in me that one day I can and I will be able to help them. She hopes in the Lord. She hopes in the right timing of the Lord, and that love changes my heart because it reminds me that I can love, I can stand to give love to my mother who gives love for me first. And kayo rin, I know these times are tough, but let's let's just stick with our mother because they are the people which God gives us and will always make us know that it is Christ our Lord who loves us first, and that love should fill our hearts and change us and make us move and go and also do that love. do that love who endures, who which becomes patient, trusting, understanding, and not giving up. So I hope you are blessed with this story of mine. Share it with your family, with all the people who you need, who you think they need this. And we'll see you on the next one. God bless us all. Salve Maria.